How to fix the connection to the site is not secure in Google Chrome error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Chrome browser. Then tap on the three dot line from your top right corner. Then go to Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. Then, what you will have to do is go to this Security section and then turn this No Protection in Safe Browsing. And then go to Use Secure DNS and then you can choose Customized or simply turn this off, and any or let's say most of the connection or most of the pages will load after this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.